put mine a little closer so it's not an issue. Thank you.
Hot chicken?
Hot chicken. I love their sense of humor.
You're welcome.
We definitely are. I can eat it by itself and be fine.
Medium.
Thank you. Half of a lobster tail,
Medium for very hot.
half of scallop, 3% shrimp, white meat.
Very interesting. What was it that was ordered? Sea bass? I'm actually interested to try it.
That's white.
As long as it's not over salted. Keep it a little salt in there for my confidence. But I also don't want to say.
We don't know how it's cooked though. I've never had it.
I haven't either. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh no. Oh yeah. Really? Yeah.
Oh, what is it meaning now?
You have a seafood combination, right?
Thank you. Thank you. These scallops.
Yep.
Three shrimps.
I'm interested to see how the yum yum tastes on it. I don't think I've ever had yum yum. What?
You would definitely take lemon.
Ah,
Seafood sauce, yeah. Like brown butter structure. Ginger sauce? Yeah.